My wife loves crossword puzzles no, jigsaw puzzles at Christmas. So Mark does too. So I gave him one to work on. And then last Christmas, this car right here has been completely rebuilt. We bought a frame, we bought a motor, got a trench bolting. I have this on my YouTube channel before. You can see we made a lot of progress. We played off in the 10th windows. The firewall has been modified. We cut a hole in the floor from the transmission. We got a explorer, we got new doors. Now we're working on the quarter panels right here. So we'll replace them on both sides, and we'll put a new trunk floor in it. We'll put this panel in it. And our next job here is to get this piece right here, which fills the gap between the quarter panel and this inside inner fender. And so this has to be cut as welded in to the bodywork. And that's our next challenge. But we have a lot of this stuff in it. We've got a lot of braces in it. And like Mark said, it looks like a junk pile, but when you get so many things going on, let's put a lot of tools in there till the end of the day. Then we'll take them all out and put them up in the toolbox. I hope. I'm Barry Wilson, Wilson Auto Repair, wilsonauto.com, and my YouTube channel. Please subscribe.